Hello, welcome to Tech Tutorials, and today I'm going to be showing you how to upload on SoundCloud. So once you log in on SoundCloud, you'll see an upload button on the top right hand side of your screen. Just click on it and then it will take you to a page where you can upload your file. I'll drag and drop my file from my desktop to Chrome. Then it will start to upload. You will see it on the top. While you can add all the details that you want. You can select your genre, you can add additional tags, even descriptions and captions, and even you can upload your album art. Once you are done with it, then you can select your privacy. I want my track to be private, and that's what I will select and save, and that's it. Your track is now uploaded. You can share it around, or you can just go to your track and listen to it. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.